Hello friend, welcome back to Total Maintenance YouTube channel. Welcome back to continuity of today's video. I bought a broken truck. There was unfortunately glitch in my editing and posting video. I definitely lost a bunch of footage which I wanted to include, and I would like to fix that right now. So when I started video, I said she's 2007 Toyota Tundra in SR5 trim, but then the footage which I had is gone. So let's continue with that. What I didn't say is she is two-wheel drive. As you see, this huge rear door. She is a Crew Max cab. Look at the opening. Look how comfortably these doors open. It's almost 90 degrees. The cabin is huge. And of course, you want to know the mileage. She has, when we will fire her up, 197,000 miles on the odometer. In this 2007, these Tundras had so many options, long bed, short bed, Crew Max, extended cab, and so on. So this has 5.5 foot bed. It still feels very deep and humongous to me. And as I said, recently I did a detail inspection for that new young gentleman, new owner, who claim the ownership and start maintaining her correctly. So I have pretty detailed knowledge of this truck, and obviously just looking at it, you with me, there are so many reasons why not to buy this truck. Just visual, when you look at it, when you walk around, it's painful to look at it. Obviously, all of you already mentioned these wheels, those rims and tires. It's absolutely nuts. Let me show you the size and what is going on with that. If I didn't buy her as a broken truck, I will never, ever consider buying a truck like this and having the headache with it. So, by the trim, this truck should have the tires on the wheels, which should be 275 65 R18. And what we are looking on together, it's a 305 on 35 R24. So these people who had very interesting taste, they customize it with 24-inch rims and super low profile tires. These tires are basically bold, and that will be one of the reasons why they probably were selling it, because they consider how much it will cost them to replace this craziness, and they rather dumped it on somebody else. Not only that truck looks really bad with these wheels, but they are completely ruining drivability. When I test drove it before deciding if I will buy it or not, this truck is very rough. It's kind of shaky. You can see that these tires are super wide. They don't belong on it. I'm not sure what happened with alignment. And I already started searching on Craigslist and Facebook Marketplace for replacement. I would like to purchase the originals, but as you can imagine, no success yet. I contacted a bunch of people, bunch of sellers, but nobody's answering. So I'm not sure how that will go. But definitely I want to put that exact same stock rims and tires on it and put her back as she was. And it's not just the rims and tires. When you want to replace those with OEM stock, you have to replace the lug nuts. So each is a 5 lug. So you need 20 lug nuts. I went through my stash and I discovered that I already have one Tundra OEM lug nut, so now I need only 19 more. Well, let's continue around. They somehow love the chrome. Will you not say? So apparently this chrome, this is just a stick-on. You buy that aftermarket and you just stick it with a double sticking tape on the mirrors, which were from factory black. These are extendable mirrors for tow, and we saw there is a tow hitch in the back, and underneath the dashboard is that added controller for towing, so that makes sense. But they just loved this chrome. Of course it's worn, it looks horrible, and it's no good. This apparently it's the same story. This was added. This is again the slap-on double-sided tape, sticky stuff. So you have that chrome. Many of you can't even look at this. This is so ugly. I'm not sure if I will get more keys, but here is the key from that flap. I meant a fuel flap. So obviously, yes, people will go and siphon your gas, but look at it. Aha. So now I can see it's complete custom, and that original fuel flap will be missing. So this I will have to think about, but optically, visually, I really don't like this. But this is nothing in comparison with this masterpiece. What do you say? Isn't this something? So again, I'm assuming it's a double-sided tape, and I should be able to peel it off. The problem is that I don't want to damage the taillights which are underneath it. So do you see how it's not matching the gaps? It's all just gross. If you are experienced how to peel off this stuff from it, if you ever did that, let me know. You know what's the problem? It's actually I'm splitting the lens. This already gave up. I'm looking inside, and it's the same on the other side. When you start pulling on this lens, it's actually opening. So I'm not sure even if I can save these, or it will have to be completely replaced. When I did inspection, there is missing one of these sensors for backing. Of course, the previous owners, when it popped off, they just cut the wire. The wire is hanging there, and the sensor and its mounting bracket are gone. So, as you can see, considering all of this, this is also not OEM, that didn't come from Toyota. That's questionable. Some people like it, some don't. I don't need it, I don't like it, but whatever. That will be the last thing to deal with. On contrary, something positive. Somebody put a new lens, but only one. This one is still faded and old. Easy. Here is that chrome, that extra chrome. You can see how it's peeling off. So I'm not sure how easy it will be to remove. I removed one of these items, these slap-ons, chrome trims. I already pried off one of them. The problem is there is a huge residue underneath which didn't peel off with that chrome piece, and I don't know how much time this will take to clean up. But there was also kind of broken chrome piece on that handle. If you know how quickly remove these remnants of that tape, double-sided 3M tape, let me know. I will appreciate it. This is not what I'm skilled at, car detailing and so on. I don't do that very often, so as you can see, this is pretty nuts, but I think she's worth saving. So please forgive me for making that mistake in the editing. It was definitely my fault that the footage was lost. On the other hand, the video will be probably too long and it's better to split it in two. I hope we are on the same page right now. We agree on many things, definitely. What was the reason to buy her and what was not the reason to buy her. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumb up. If you are excited about this project, please subscribe, because I will try to film most of it for you. Thank you for watching and have a great day, my friend.